Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today the most popular search engine has shared interactive Google Doodle celebrating the Rudolph Well 138th birthday. Who was a Polish biologist, physician and inventor. He is most known for creating the first effective vaccine against epidemic typhus. He founded the Well Institute in Lwów, where he conducted vaccine research. Happy birthday Rudolph Well for saving thousands of human lives and earned their blessings. Today's doodle celebrates the 130th birthday of Polish inventor, doctor and immunologist Rudolf Well. He produced the first effective vaccine against epidemic typhus, one of the humanity's oldest and most infectious diseases. On this day in 1883, Rudolf Stefan Well was born in the Austro-Hungarian town of Serow, modern-day Czech Republic. As millions across Eastern Europe were plagued by typhus, Well became determined to stop its spread. Friends, who is Rudolf Well? Rudolf Well was a Polish inventor, doctor, immunologist. Well worked during the Holocaust to save the lives of many Jewish men and women. He played an active role during the time in which he developed a vaccine for typhus as well as provided shelter for Jews in order to protect them from execution by the Nazis. What has Rudolf Well known for? Rudolf Well invented typhus vaccine. Typhus spreads through lice in the body and has been responsible for millions of deaths throughout history. He discovered that a vaccine could be developed from lice stomachs infected with Rickettsia prowazekii, a harmful bacteria, especially to humans. He developed the first version of the vaccine in 1918 and began experimenting on guinea pigs and even human volunteers. He refined this technique over the years until 1933, and when he performed large-scale testing in order to cultivate bacteria and experiment with the lice using the microinfection strategy. An estimated 5,000 people were saved due to Well works during this period, both due to his direct efforts to protect his neighbors and to the thousands of vaccine doses distributed nationwide. Today, Well is widely lauded as a remarkable scientist and hero. His work has been honored by not one but 2 Nobel Prize nominations. So friends, from studying a tiny laws to saving thousands of human lives, the impact of your tireless work had on the world are felt to this day. Happy birthday Rudolf Well, and lot of blessings from the whole world. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.